Big up to my big father, LONGQI HAIR, 28 inches, LONGQI HAIR. Cambodian kinky curly, LONGQI HAIR, 20-inch frontal, LONGQI HAIR, LONGQI HAIR. Y'all, it's y'all. Let me say this, boo boo. Oh, let me do a center part. Okay, not bad. Alright, let me finish it some more. This is so the wig was made by Here I Am on Instagram. Let me just show you what her page looks like. So I'm filming this in the same day, guys. This is my third video that I'm filming today. I'm so proud of myself. So yeah, we'll have that. I don't know how much she's up to now, but I had said in the video before this that I really want to get her up to 500 subscribers, followers on Instagram. So if you can go ahead and do that, and I can take pictures and send to her and be like, boo, this is what you created. So on my stories I posted, want to get to 500,000 before 2020. So I put, it's gonna take work, and I put, nah sis, aim for 300, and it was neck and neck. As you guys saw, 56% of it said it's gonna take work, and 4% of it says aim for 300 cases. So now at the filming of this video, here we go, I'm at 218,000. I hope you guys are seeing that. 218,000. And for my Lyric Uncut channel, I want to get that up to 50,000 by the end of the year, but I haven't put that poll up. So I want to address this right now in this form. This video is actually my celebratory video for hitting 500,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel by 2020 or before 2020. I have been watching, and you guys probably don't know this, but I watch, YouTube is completely my entertainment. Pregnancy videos, home birthing videos, I watch a lot of those videos. I watch a lot of manifestation videos, all those videos. Now I am a Christian, and excuse me, some of the jargons that they use, it's just their way of saying God. So people don't say God, some people say universe, energy, spirit world, which I'm quite aware of the spirit world. You know what, I'm gonna tell you guys anyway. I don't know if you guys would be interested in knowing, but it's just like, let me know if you care about knowing about like the spirit world and my experience with that realm, because I have had a lot of I've had visions. I've been in the situations, I've been in deliverance sessions. So if that's something that you want to hear, let me know. So yeah, so what I've been watching a lot of those videos, especially manifestation videos. Now manifestation is absolutely nothing new to me as a Christian. The Bible says, write the vision, in Habakkuk 2:2, write the vision down, make it clear. And I think in the Old Testament, Matthew or something like that, they said you should write it on the doorpost, on the forehead. It talks a lot about writing down. For the 10 Commandments, it was written down. It was, because before that they had like 600 and something you know, like commandments or do's and don'ts or whatever, and then it got condensed to 10. And then when Jesus come and manifested, as in, you know, like made everything clearer, he was like, yo, love your neighbor as yourself, you know, treat others as you want to be treated. You know what I mean? Like he even further condensed it. So everything was writing down. So I had gotten into scripting at one point, and I shared the video of the lady that stole $70,000 from me. I'll link that in the description bar below. And I have where manifestation has worked for me and manifestation has not worked for me. I know manifestation, if you're a Christian or a traditional Christian, there's no way you're watching my channel, but let's say you are, and you are fine. Hello, hi. But I've manifested an iPhone before. I didn't know it was called manifestation. A BlackBerry, sorry. At the time I had a 3310. Y'all remember 3310s? I had a 3310 phone. and on the back of it I would place Blackberry in training, Blackberry in training. So when my phone ring, them say, Simone, your phone ring, you mean my Blackberry ring? Give my Blackberry and do with me. Hello? Yes, you're talking about Blackberry. That's how I would Blackberry in training, Blackberry in training. And then I got a Blackberry. And it never occurred to me that it happened. And on the back of my Blackberry, I would put iPhone in training, iPhone in training, iPhone in training. Then I got an iPhone. The thing is with the vision, and I'm going to be doing a vision board on my Lyric Uncut channel. But the thing is with that, it was a constant reminder. That's why the Bible says you should write down the vision and make it clear. What do you want? The Bible says, ask and it shall be given. God says, there's no good thing will I withhold from you. Like he's telling you that, bruh, and the reason why he keeps saying that is because this is what I believe in. You say universe or whatever, you're a child of the universe. I'm a child of God, honey. And he might tell me, say, Simone, babes, my daughter, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Hermes, and I don't know if your father to deal with for you. All you have to do is ask. You know what I mean? And I'm saying that because that's what we consider elegance or luxury. But there are other luxurious things in life, like your family life, your home life, your health. You know what I mean? So this video, oh my god, I've been talking for 10 minutes. Crap, this video is going to be long. This video is thanking you guys for first of all, the fact that I'm actually at 500,000 subscribers. Yes, this is my celebratory video of hitting 500,000 subscribers here on this channel. It is the 6th of June 2019 and we hit 500,000 subscribers, just a little over 500,000 subscribers before the year 2020 of January. And I want to thank you guys so much. Whoa, I don't know, say I'm about to cry, right? I would blame the pregnancy, but no, it's just me. I'm just a crier. I'm quite emotional. But you guys, for years I felt like I was stuck at just a certain amount of number, and it's just like for this year I watched my channel grow and to grow. I've been getting so much viral videos, and new companies are reaching out to me. That completely shocked me. I've always wanted to be on the Fenty Beauty PR list. Guess who's on the Fenty Beauty PR list? The mighty jungle, the lions sleep tonight. Hills the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lions sleep tonight. Jamaica, no leave no way. Anyway, I'm there, you guys. I mean, so much things are happening. Jaleel is, that's our, you know, I don't know Jaleel, come and talk Jaleel, Wally, Jaleel and Jonathan, oh my god. Their relationship is absolutely phenomenal. Jonathan watches out for him. You want to see him help me and feed Jaleel, and I change Jaleel pampers. Oh my gosh. I am literally living my best life. And I really want to thank you guys for allowing me to get to 500,000 subscribers. I want to thank God for allowing me to get to 500,000 subscribers. He's been giving me so much video ideas, even the collabs that I've done. I'm just like, wow, this is my life. And it's not just collabs or collab, okay, thank, like I can now text him like, hey girl, what you doing? You alright? You good? What's going on? I'm coming up. What you doing? You want to go for lunch? You know, like this is what's happening, and I am smiling from ear to ear because I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Even when I was supposed to have that miracle course giveaway at 200,000, I waited until I hit 220,000, and then I had that miracle course giveaway, and I'm so grateful that at this point I can do another giveaway for you guys. I am thank you. I am thank you for allowing me to get to 500 subscribers. This Jamaican girl, who started her YouTube channel in April of, I think, 2010. I've been on here now for 9 years. Next year, 2020, I'll be on here for 10 years. And I'm so grateful. I can't wait for 2020 to hit 1,000,000 in 2020. Because God keeps giving me ideas. I mean, companies are reaching out to me. They're recognizing not just me, but they're recognizing Jamaica on a whole. I cannot afford to pay for my PR when they come through customs. Remember when we used to custom off dog rotten? I'm like, okay, customs. Here you go. You want a tip, boo-boo? Do you want a tip? You know, and I'm just grateful. I'm just grateful, and I want to be a testimony to somebody that believed me. For me, I thought it would have never happened, but the fact that I'm sitting here thanking you guys for 500,000 subscribers, I'm just grateful. I'm just so grateful. Pour me lace, kick right off. We got the brushes. Oh my god. Kiba brush line is now available for you guys. The packaging is as cute as ever. Ooh, yo, 2019 is it for us, honey. Yes, ma'am. And Vision 2020, I'm getting my body back together after Jaleel did what he did to it. Remember not Jaleel, remember Jaleel, remember. Alright. Everything is coming together. Fitness companies I've always wanted to work with, to be an affiliate with. Ooh. I am successful. I am blessed and highly favored. I am the head and not the tail. I am above and never beneath. I am a child of God, and this is definitely my winning season. Definitely my winning season. I'm so grateful for you guys, and for the love, for the support, and for you guys riding with me, and for my genuine supporters, and I try my best to just be me in front of the camera. When you meet me, it's me. Sometimes I know my personality is very overwhelming. It is, it really is, and I just don't want you to ever think that you can't be you and be successful. Whatever you think success is, you can be you and still be successful. You can be, but you can also be flexible and still be successful. Girl, I can't believe my eye here crying. Thank you so much, you guys, for the love, for the support. We proved the poll right. Majority of you said it can be done, it's going to take work, and mama has been working and working and working. Thank you so much for your love and your support, you guys. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, boo. What, you think I won't go say it? Girl, remember, we're on our way to 1,000,000 for 2020. Look at 1,000,000 for 2020. This is it. I'm putting this video out there. This is it, guys. Manifest what you believe in. Write down what you believe in. Work for what you believe in, whether it be your marriage, your family, your business. You will fall, but you see, when you get back up, the thing is about falling. When you're falling, you feel helpless. It's like, but it takes a strength to get back up. It takes a strength to get back up, and sometimes you need help to get up. So don't be afraid to ask for help. Write down the vision, make it clear. I can't wait to do my vision board. I'm all hyped to do my vision board now. And this is my video, my 500,000 subscriber video at 218,000, because I'm gonna get there. Because why am I crying so much? Why am I crying so much? I just don't want you to think you can't get. I don't want you to think that you have to stay where you are. You know what I mean? Even in a marriage. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying left your man, left your woman. I'm just saying, I want to follow the good book, the Bible. If you're following that, it's a recipe for direct and abundant success. God says he will give you more than you can even ask for or even think. This girl has a wild imagination, and just I am currently making a video thanking you for 500,000 subscribers. I have a very wide and wild and vivid imagination, and if God says he can surpass that, then he can. And not just for me, and it's not just for Christians, because that's not the God that we serve either. You guys call him different things, universe, energy. It's the same God. It's the same God. And the song that's in my head is, he's still God, he will not fail you. He's still God, he will something, something, something. Just like Daniel, Moses, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, he'll do it again. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. And I'll talk to you in the next video. 500k, we did it. We did the damn thing. I'm not trying to whine, but my belly not allow me. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Damn it. Oh my gosh, LONGQI hair. Yes, LONGQI hair. LONGQI hair, thank you for your support for this year, LONGQI. We are going to do bigger and better things next year.